We have Graham. T plus 8 days.
Watch out, buddy.
Getting lotioned up for the first time.
After the doctor says it's okay.
He had some ashy feet, now he's feeling
I had
better.
nastiness. Look
What do
at
you think
Daddy.
about that, Graham?
Look at Daddy.
Tell us your thoughts on being pampered.
It's a very manly lotion.
Just like those manly mittens he's wearing.
It's okay.
I'm a cutter. I have to be restrained.
It's a good little reflex on his feet.
Those wrinkly little thighs.
Hang on, we'll put your clothes back on. Hang on.
What's all that noise about, Graham?
Sorry. Say hey guys. What? That's very close to me.
What color are your eyes, Graham?
Okay, let's cover up. Oh! Hey.
Now you're looking good.
Oh, we don't eat this. We wear it.
You look good. Very manly other than the mittens.
Show the football and the baseball and the bat.
Oh, yes.
It's manly.
There you go. He's an all-star.
Come on, all-star.
What are you looking at, buddy? What are you looking at? You got a wrinkly forehead. Oh!
Oh, that's what I think of everybody.
That's what's up.
You are your father's son.
Good night,
It
Graham.
surprises us.
Good night.